If you're planning to start a business in Illinois, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in Illinois even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether you should file it yourself or use a formation service like LegalZoom to make the entire process hassle-free. We'll cover all of that later in this video, so let's get started. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or Limited Liability Company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to choose a name for your Illinois LLC. Now, the name must be unique and not already in use in Illinois. It should include Limited Liability Company, LLC, or L.C. Now, to check the name availability of your desired name, I want you to go to the Illinois Secretary of State Business Search. All you have to do is enter your desired business name. If no matching results appear, your name is available and good to go. Now, you can reserve the name for $25, but this is not required. Now, after that is appointing a registered agent. Illinois requires every LLC to have a registered agent because they are the one that receives the legal and official state documents. They must have a physical address in Illinois and of course must be available during normal business hours. Now, if you wanted to be your own registered agent, you can do so provided that you meet all the state legal requirements. But if you want, you can appoint someone you trust like an individual, an agency, which you can also use a professional service like LegalZoom. More of that later on in this video. And then the next is filing the Articles of Organization, which is going to be the official step that creates your LLC. Now, you can simply go to the Illinois Secretary of State website, which is going to be for online filing. I highly recommend you do that. And all you have to do is provide the LLC name, registered agent name and address, LLC purpose. For example, you can use a general purpose, organizer's name and signature, and there is going to be a filing fee of $150 online or by mail. Once approved, congratulations, because your Illinois LLC is now officially formed. After that is creating an operating agreement. Although Illinois does not require an operating agreement, it's highly recommended because an operating agreement defines ownership and management structure. It helps prevent future disputes. It adds credibility and legal protection. And of course, you can create one yourself if you wanted, but it's better if you use a service like LegalZoom to generate it automatically. Now, the next thing is getting an EIN from the IRS. An EIN, or Employer Identification Number, is like a social security number for your business. You can simply visit the IRS website, apply online for free, and you will receive your EIN instantly. Having said all of that, although forming an LLC isn't always easy, doing it in Illinois can be a great decision for many business owners. Because for one, you get to have limited liability protection, you have a flexible taxation, you have management flexibility, and of course, you have increased credibility. So while forming an LLC takes effort, choosing Illinois gives you protection, flexibility, and making a smart move for entrepreneurs to grow their business. That's why, you see, traditional filing, while it's cost-effective, it really is time-consuming, full of paperwork, and can be really stressful. Now, hiring a registered agent is more efficient, yes, but it can get expensive. Now, what if I told you there is a better solution using a formation service called LegalZoom? LegalZoom is an online legal service company that helps people form businesses and handle other legal paperwork without having to hire an attorney or a registered agent. They guide you through these steps to create a corporation, nonprofit, especially LLC, and other business entities in any state in the US, including Illinois. The good news is, if you haven't signed up with LegalZoom yet and want to support our channel, you can use our affiliate link in the video description, which will forward you to a new page. If you want to do the work yourself, you can go to the basic plan, but it's kind of limited. And if you wanted to have more options, you can go and upgrade to the Pro plan, which gives you all these perks and benefits. But to unlock all the tools and features, you might want to go to the Premium plan. Whichever plan you wanted to go to, remember you can use our affiliate link, which is in the video description. You will be forwarded to a new page. All I have to do is enter the business name, click the next button. If you want to skip and decide later, you can do so. From here, you need to choose the state, and of course, in this case, that's going to be Illinois. If you want to provide your business email address or phone number, you can do so, but if you don't want, you can skip it. And we need to choose the industry. So in our case, that's going to be affiliate marketing. Remember to use the affiliate link that is in the video description to get started with LegalZoom. There are a lot of information involved, but do not be overwhelmed because LegalZoom is here to help you out. Okay, so if you wanted to have a personalized notifications, fast and easy filings, peace of mind, you can do so. You can select a plan, but for now, we're going to click the no thanks. These are added services. Now, as you may notice, you can save time and money on essential documents by having all these. If you're not sure and decided yet, do not be afraid to click the no thanks. Now, when you form an LLC, it's also a wise decision opening a separate business bank account because it protects you legally, simplifies finances, and helps your LLC grow professionally. Now, you can choose from any of the following. You can choose Mercury or Bank of America. But if you don't want it for now, click the no thanks button and you have more information around here. Now, if time is of the essence and you wanted to get your business going already, you might want to go to the one-day expedited processing along with the founder's kit. But if you don't want that, click the no thanks and click the next button, which will forward you to a new page. As you can see, using LegalZoom is very straightforward, a hassle-free experience, and hands down the easiest way to go. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to register an LLC in Illinois step by step. From choosing your business name and appointing a registered agent to filing your articles of organization and getting your EIN, you're officially on the path to becoming a business owner. Forming an LLC in Illinois is straightforward, affordable, and totally doable on your own if you follow these steps correctly. It gives you strong liability protection, a professional business structure, and of course, a flexible tax options. Now, if you want to save time, avoid paperwork mistakes, and get everything done hassle-free, using a formation service like LegalZoom can be a smart choice, especially for first-time business owners. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for more step-by-step business guides and creating LLC in the US. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.